Faceless YouTube channels are everywhere, and most videos about them are selling you a dream. This one is different. I am going to show you the actual production pipeline, step by step. How to pick a niche that can be monetized, how to write scripts with AI that do not sound robotic, how to handle voiceover, visuals, editing, and thumbnails, and then the honest math on when the money actually starts. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what a day of running this kind of channel looks like. No fluff, let us build it. Step 1 is the niche, and this decision matters more than everything else combined. Advertisers pay wildly different rates depending on topic. Finance, business, technology, and software niches can earn $10 to $30 per thousand monetized views, while entertainment topics often earn 1 to 3. Before committing, do 2 checks. First, can you list 100 video ideas in this niche? If you run dry at 15, it is too narrow. Second, search the niche on YouTube and confirm that faceless channels are already succeeding there. You want proof the format works, then you compete on quality and consistency. Step 2 is scripting, and this is where AI saves you the most time. Give your AI assistant a clear structure, a hook that creates a question in the viewer's mind within 15 seconds, a promise of what they will learn, then one idea per section, and a payoff at the end. Then edit it yourself, out loud. If a sentence feels unnatural to say, rewrite it. Cut every filler phrase. And critically, fact-check every number and claim the AI gives you, because one confidently wrong statistic in your video will cost you trust and comments will let you know. A good 10-minute script is about 1,400 words. Step 3 is the voiceover. Modern neural text-to-speech is genuinely broadcast quality now. The keys are pacing and consistency. Slightly faster than normal reading speed keeps energy up. Most channels use a 3 to 5% speed boost. Pick one voice and never change it, because the voice literally is your channel's identity for returning viewers. Break long scripts into sections and generate audio per section, which makes editing and fixing mistakes much easier. And read the license terms of whatever voice tool you use. You need commercial use rights, and some platforms require attribution or a paid tier for monetized content. Step 4 is visuals, and this is what separates watchable channels from sleepy ones. Your options without a camera, stock footage from free libraries like Pexels and Pixabay, AI-generated images for concepts that stock cannot show, screen recordings if you are covering software, and clean animated text slides for key points. The single most important rule is visual rhythm. Something on screen should change every 3 to 6 seconds. It can be a new clip, a zoom, a caption appearing. Static visuals for 20 seconds is where viewers leave. Build a small library of reusable intro, transition, and outro elements so every video gets faster to make. Step 5 is assembly. Free tools are completely sufficient. CapCut is fast, and DaVinci Resolve is professional grade. Your edit checklist is short. Cut dead air aggressively. Add captions, because a huge share of viewers watch with sound off, and captions measurably improve retention. Add subtle background music around -25 decibels, quiet enough to never fight the voice. Then save your project as a template. Intro card, caption style, music track, outro screen, all in place. Video 2 should take you half the time of video 1. By video 10, assembly is a 2-hour job, not a 2-day job. Step 6 is packaging, meaning the title and thumbnail. And here is a hard truth. Packaging decides whether your production work ever gets seen. A great video with weak packaging simply does not get clicked. Thumbnails need one clear idea, readable at phone size, 3 to 5 big words maximum, high contrast, one focal object. The title and thumbnail should not repeat each other. The title raises a question, the thumbnail intensifies it. Before uploading, do the competitor test. Put your thumbnail next to the top 5 videos in your niche and ask honestly, would you click yours? If not, iterate. Spend a full hour on packaging per video. It is worth it. Step 7 is your publishing rhythm. The algorithm rewards consistency far more than volume. 2 to 3 quality long videos per week, sustained for months, beats a daily sprint that burns you out by week 3. Use shorts as your discovery engine. Cut the single best 40 seconds from every long video into a vertical short that points viewers to the full version. And batch your production. 1 day for writing all scripts, 1 day for generating all voiceovers and visuals, one day for assembly and packaging. Batching turns a chaotic hobby into a calm production line, and the calm production line is the one that survives. Now the honest part. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in 12 months. For most consistent channels, that takes 3 to 6 months. Expect your first 30 videos to earn almost nothing. They are your tuition. Also know that YouTube requires disclosure of realistic AI-generated content, and channels that are pure low-effort AI spam are getting demonetized, so your human editing layer is not optional. It is the moat. Once monetized, ads are only the beginning. Affiliate links, sponsorships, and your own digital products usually out-earn ad revenue within a year. Once videos are live, your analytics tell you exactly what to fix if you know where to look. 3 numbers matter. First, the retention graph. Find the exact second where viewers leave. Watch that moment, and you will usually see the mistake. A slow intro, a rambling tangent, a visual that overstayed. Second, click-through rate. If fewer than 4% of people who see your thumbnail click it, you have a packaging problem, not a content problem. So fix the thumbnail before blaming the video. Third, returning viewers. This is the metric that predicts long-term growth, because a channel is built on people who come back. Check these 3 weekly, change one thing at a time, and you will improve faster than 90% of creators who just stare at view counts. Let me save you from the 3 mistakes that kill most faceless channels. Mistake 1. Changing niche every 3 videos. The algorithm needs consistency to learn who your audience is. Every pivot resets that learning to 0. Mistake 2. Copying viral videos instead of viral formats. If you remake someone's exact video, you compete with the original and lose. Instead, steal the structure, the hook style, the pacing, the list format, and apply it to a fresh topic. Mistake 3. Quitting during the silent month. Almost every successful channel has a graveyard of early videos with 200 views. The creators who won are simply the ones still uploading when the algorithm finally found their audience. Here is the complete tool stack, so you can start tonight without a single purchase. For scripts, any major AI chat assistant, and the free tiers are enough at the start. For voiceover, a neural text-to-speech tool with commercial rights on your plan. For visuals, Pexels and Pixabay for stock footage, plus an AI image generator for concept stock cannot show. For editing, CapCut if you want speed, DaVinci Resolve if you want power, both are free. For thumbnails, any design tool with templates. Total monthly cost to start, $0 to $20. The barrier to entry has never been lower, which also means consistency, not budget, is the entire game. So here is your first month, concretely. Week 1. Lock your niche and write 30 video titles with thumbnails sketched. If you cannot, wrong niche, pick again. Weeks 2 through 4. Produce and publish 6 videos using the pipeline from this video, focusing on making each one faster to produce than the last, not on views. Views in month 1 are irrelevant. The pipeline is everything. If you want the deeper version of each step, subscribe, because this channel publishes practical AI production guides every single week. Comment your niche idea below, and I will tell you honestly if it can be monetized. Now go build.